Today I am going to solve numerical problems on thermal power plant. The another name of thermal power plant is steam power plant. Now the question is, a steam power station has an overall efficiency of 20% and 0.6 kg of coal is burned per kilowatt hour of electrical energy generated. Calculate the calorific value of fuel. Calculate the calorific value of fuel. Now, all of you observe here, in the problem, they are given a steam power station, that is nothing but the thermal power station, clearly they are mentioned, and overall efficiency of 20%. That is, they are given the overall efficiency as 20%. The overall efficiency as 20%, and 0.6 kg of coal burn. That is 0.6 kg the coal is burned per kilowatt hour of electrical energy generated. We generate the 1 kilowatt energy. So how much the coal is utilized means 0.6 kg. Here we want to find out, calculate the calorific value of the fuel. Here we want to find out the calorific value of the fuel. Now observe here, in this problem they are given, we want to find out the calorific value of the fuel. That is, the calorific value of fuel, we are assuming the x is the calorific value. Generally the calorific value is represented for kilocalorie per kg. Kilocalorie per kg. Here we are assuming the x is nothing but the calorific value, and they are given the heat produced, that is per kilowatt hour how much the coal is utilized, 0.6 kg. That is, we heat produced, that is the steam can be produced, 0.6 kg of the coal is required. That is 0.6 into the calorific value is there in the coal. That is, in the problem they are not given. We want to find out the calorific value, that is we are considered as the x, we are assuming. That is, as per our use, we can take y or m or a or b, so on, etc. Here I am taken the x is nothing but the calorific value, and already we know that the heat equivalent of the 1 kilowatt hour or energy output is represented for 1 kWh. The value is nothing but the constant value, that is 860 kilocalorie. 860 kilocalorie. Here, and they are given the overall efficiency in the problem is 20%. That is, the overall efficiency is 20%. Now, the 20% in the sense that is represented for 20 by 100, we are getting 0.2. 0.2. Now we want to find out the calorific value in the sense, the formula is the overall efficiency equal to electrical output in heat units with respect to the heat of combustion. Heat of combustion. Now the heat of combustion in the sense, this is the value, the heat, the production, the heat of combustion is nothing but how much fuel is utilized to generate the power. The overall efficiency is output with respect to the input. Output means the electrical output in heat units. How much is the electrical output in heat units? That is 860 kilocalorie. 860 kilocalorie. What is the input? The heat of combustion. That is the steam produced. How much the fuel is utilized? That is the fuel utilized is 0.6 into x kilocalorie. Now that is we are getting 860 by 0.6 into the x. What is the overall efficiency? The overall efficiency in the problem they are given, that is 20%, 0.2. Now we can take here the by cross multiplication. Here we want to find out the x value. By cross multiplication, that is x equal to 860 by 0.6 into 0.2. This is the value we are getting is nothing but the calorific value. The value we are getting is the calorific value. Now you can see here, that is the overall the efficiency is how much, 0.2 equal to how much the heat electrical energy is produced, 860 by 0.6 into x. By cross multiplication, the simplification, we want to find out the value of the x value, that is the x equal to 860 by 0.6 into 2. Finally we are getting the x equal to 7166.67 kilocalorie. 7166.67 kilocalorie. Now in the problem they are given the parameter is The overall efficiency they are given is 20%, and the coal burnt is 0.6 kg per kilowatt hour. We need to generate the 1 kilowatt of energy. Here the required amount of the fuel, the input in the thermal power plant, the fuel we are using is coal, that is 0.6 kg coal is required to generate the 1 kilowatt hour. Here we want to find out the calorific value of the fuel, that is the calorific value of coal. But here they are not mentioned the calorific value. We need to find out the calorific value based upon the given data. Here they are not mentioned the calorific value. We are assuming the X is nothing but the calorific value of fuel, the calorific value of fuel. You can assuming either M, N or Z, any parameter. Here I am assuming the parameter is the X is nothing but the calorific value. The unit is represent for kilocalorie per kg. The unit is represent for kilocalorie per kg. And heat produced, that is the steam produced, how much the coal is utilized? 0.6 kg of coal per kilowatt hour. That is 0.6 into multiply with respect to the calorific value. That is X. We are assuming the calorific value is X. Multiply here the X value. Now heat equivalent of 1 kilowatt hour, that is already we know this is the constant value. The energy output is nothing but the 1 kWh. The 1 kWh the value is 860 kilocalorie. Again here the overall efficiency they are given 20%, that is 20 by 100, 0.2. And what is the formula for overall efficiency? Output with respect to the input. Output is electrical output in heat units with respect to the input is heat of combustion. Electrical output in heat units means what is the electrical output? 860 kilocalorie by the input, the heat of combustion. How much the fuel is utilized? 0.6 kg. That is with respect to the calorific value. 0.6 into X. Here the overall efficiency in the problem they are given 0.2. Here we want to find out the X value by cross multiplication. X equal to 860 by 0.6 into 0.2. Now we need to simplify this value, that is 860 by 0.6 into 0.2. Now we are simplifying. Finally we are getting the answer is 7166.67 kilocalorie per kg. Kilocalorie per kg. This much of the kilocalories available. And the next problem is the overall efficiency of a thermal power station is 30%. Here they are given the overall efficiency 30%, that is 30 by 100, we are getting 0.3. 30 by 100, 0.3. The calorific value of coal is 6800 kilocalorie per kg. 6800 kilocalorie per kg. Here they are given the calorific value. The value they are given is 6800 kilocalorie per kg. Find the consumption of coal per unit. How much the coal is utilized to generate 1 unit. Here we want to find out how much the coal is utilized to generate the 1 unit. Now we want to find out this parameter, that is the primary thing, the coal consumption per unit. Now we want to find out the coal consumption per unit means, now just we can observe here, that is the as per the given data, the only we are having thermal efficiency as well as calorific value of the coal. Already we know that the efficiency is nothing but output with respect to the input. Output in kilocalorie with respect to the input in kilocalorie. Output means already we know that the energy output, that is nothing but the 1 kWh, the constant value 860 kilocalories. Here we want to find out the input, how much fuel is utilized. That is the coal combustion into calorific value. Coal combustion into calorific value. Now the coal combustion, here we want to find out the per unit how much the coal is utilized. That is nothing but the coal combustion. The problem they are given for the calorific value. Now here the first thing we want to find out the energy input, that is the coal consumption with respect to the calorific value. That is the energy input equal to the coal consumption into the calorific value is how much in the problem they are given 6,800. 6,800. Now in the problem the overall the efficiency they are given that is 30%. 0.3 equal to output in kilocalorie, that is the output, the energy output is 1 kWh equal to 860 kilocalorie, that is 8600 by energy input, that is the input the kilocalorie is nothing but the coal consumption into calorific value, that is the coal consumption into the calorific value is 6800. Now here we want to find out the calorific value by cross multiplication, that is the calorific value equal to 860 by 0.3 into 6800. Now we are simplifying this equation, we are getting calorific value, that is the per unit. We want to generate the per unit, how much the calorific value is required. Now you can observe here, in that the problem they are given, the given data is the overall efficiency, that is the overall efficiency is 30% in the problem they are given, that is 30 by 100 we are getting 0.3. In the problem they are given the overall efficiency is 0.3, and the next parameter they are given the calorific value of the fuel, that is the calorific value of fuel in thermal power plant. The fuel we are using is coal, that is the calorific value is 6800 kilocalorie per kg. Here we want to find out the coal consumption, how much the coal is utilized, how much the coal is utilized. Now the coal consumption we want to find out. Already defaultly we know that the energy output, that is nothing but the 1 kWh, energy output is nothing but 1 kWh. Already default value, this is nothing but the constant value 860 kilocalorie, 860 kilocalorie. We want to find out how much the coal is utilized, that is nothing but the energy input, how much the fuel is input. We want to find out based upon the available data, that is the overall efficiency equal to output in kilocalorie with respect to the input in kilocalorie. Already the overall efficiency we know, that is the overall efficiency in the problem they are given 30%, 0.3. Output in kilocalorie, that is the output is nothing but 8600 by the input. We want to find out the input in kilocalorie means, that is the coal consumption into calorific value. We want to find out the coal combustion. In the problem the data they are given, the calorific value is 6800 kilocalorie per kg, 6800 kilocalorie per kg. Now that is the energy input equal to coal consumption into calorific value. Now the first we want to find out which parameter, the energy, the input kilocalorie, that is nothing but the energy input. We want to find out the input in kilocalorie, that is the energy input equal to coal combustion into calorific value, that is the coal combustion into, in the problem they are given the calorific value is how much 6800 kilocalorie per kg. Now we can find out the overall the efficiency, overall efficiency. Now you can see here, that is the efficiency equal to output in kilocalorie by input in kilocalorie. What is the value of the output in kilocalorie? 860. What is the input in kilocalorie? The coal combustion into the calorific value, that is 6800. Now here we want to find out the coal combustion by cross multiplication, that is coal consumption per unit equal to 860 by 6800 into 0.3. Now the simplifying this equation, we are getting 0.422 kg, 0.422 kg. This much of the coal is utilized to generate the 1 unit in the particular power plant. And the next problem is a thermal power station has the following data. Here clearly they are mentioned the power plant is nothing but the steam power plant, the another name is nothing but the thermal power plant, and they are given the following data. The maximum demand they are represent is 20,000 megawatt. The load factor is 40%, that is 40 by 100, 0.4, and the boiler efficiency is 85%, that is the 85 by 100, 0.85, and the turbine efficiency is 90%, percentage, that is 90 by 100, 0.9. And the coal consumption, that is how much the coal is utilized to generate the 1 kilowatt hour, that is 0.9 kilowatts, 0.9 kg, 0.9 kg the coal is required to generate the 1 kWh the power. And the cost of 1 ton of coal, they are given 300 rupees. 1 ton coal, they are given 300 rupees. Determine, here we want to find out the two parameters. One is nothing but the thermal efficiency, another one is for the coal amount per bill per annum, that is how much annual cost of fuel. Here we want to find out the fuel cost. One is the thermal efficiency, another one is for annual cost of the fuel. In the problem they are given, that is the maximum demand is 20,000 megawatts. The maximum demand they are given in the problem is 20,000 megawatt, and the load factor is 40%, that is 40 by 100, 0.4. And the boiler efficiency, that is new boiler 85%, that is 85 by 100, 0.85. And the turbine efficiency, that is 90%, 90 by 100, 0.9. The coal consumption, that is how much the coal is utilized, the input 0.9 kg per kilowatt hour. We generate the 1 kWh, how much the fuel is utilized, 0.9. And the cost of 1 ton coal, that is the 1 ton coal, the cost they are represented in the problem 300 rupees. 300 rupees. Here we want to find out the two parameters. The first one we want to find out the thermal efficiency. The second one we want to find out the annual cost of the coal, that is the per annum. We generate the power, how much the coal is required, that is annual cost of fuel, that is the annual cost of fuel. Annual cost of fuel in the sense the annual cost of the coal, how much is required. Now based upon the available data, we want to find out the thermal efficiency. Means what is the formula? The boiler efficiency into turbine efficiency. What is the value of the boiler efficiency? 0.85, and turbine efficiency is 0.9. That is thermal efficiency, it is a product of boiler efficiency and then turbine efficiency. In the problem, the boiler efficiency they are given 0.85, and the turbine efficiency they are given 90%, that is 90 by 100, 0.9. If we are simplifying this value, we are getting the thermal efficiency. Next one, we want to find out the coal amount or coal bill per annum, that is the annual cost of the fuel. Here in the thermal power plant, the fuel we are using is coal, that is how much the annual cost of the coal. The formula is the cost of 1 ton of coal into coal consumption per annum. 1 ton of the coal, the cost in the problem they are given 300 rupees. How much the coal is utilized to generate the power, that is maximum demand per day 20,000 megawatts. 20,000 megawatt. We need to generate the 1 year, that is the base load, peak load is there, but on an average the coal utilization should be different, that is how much the coal utilized per annum. Once we know the how much the coal is required to generate the power per year, at that time we can find out the overall annual cost of the coal. Now here we want to find out the coal consumption per annum, that is the coal consumption per annum. The formula is coal consumption into units generated per annum. Units generated per annum. Now here we want to find out this parameter, that is the coal consumption per annum, that is the coal consumption into units generated per annum. Here again we don't know the value of units generated per annum, but coal consumption they are clearly mentioned 0.9 kg per kWh. Here the coal consumption value is there. Here we want to find out unit generated per annum. Units generated per annum, the formula is the maximum demand into load factor into hours in a year. Now the maximum demand in the problem is how much? 20,000 megawatt. That is 20,000 megawatt into load factor is how much? 40%. That is 0.4 into hours in a year. Per year 365 days, per day 24 hours. Per day 24 hours. Now the simplify this value, we can substitute here. That is the coal combustion, already they are given 0.9 into this value by 1000, we are getting coal consumption per annum. Now the per ton, the cost is 300, into this value we are getting the annual cost of the fuel. Now we will see here in the problem, they are given data is the maximum demand is 20,000 kWh, load factor is 40%, the load factor is 40, maximum demand 20,000 megawatt, and the load factor is 40%, that is 40 by 100, 0.4, and the boiler efficiency 85%, that is the 85 by 100, 0.85, and the turbine efficiency is 90%, that is 90 by 100, 0.9. The coal consumption in the problem they are given 0.9 kg by kWh. We need to generate 1 kilowatt hour. How much coal is required means 0.9 kg. And as well as they are given the cost of 1 ton. We need to, the cost of the fuel 1 ton the coal, the cost is 300 rupees. Here we want to find out the two parameters. One is nothing but the thermal efficiency. Another one is nothing but the annual cost of the fuel. How much the annual, the cost of the fuel. Now we want to find out the thermal efficiency. Already we know the formula, that is the boiler efficiency into turbine efficiency. That is the boiler efficiency they are given, that is how much the boiler efficiency 85%, 0.85, and turbine efficiency they are given 90%, that is 90 by 100, 0.9. We are simplifying, we are getting that value. The second one we want to find out for annual cost of the coal. We want to find out the annual cost of the coal. The formula is the cost of 1 ton of coal into coal consumption per annum, into coal consumption per annum. But in the problem, the 1 ton of the coal, the cost is 300 rupees. Here we are not having the coal consumption per annum. We want to find out again coal consumption per annum. That is the formula is coal consumption into units generated per annum by 1000. But here the coal consumption they are given in the problem 0.9. But we don't know the value of units generated per annum. Anyway, 1000 is constant. Again, the units generated annum, the formula is maximum demand into load factor into hours in a year. Now, the first one we want to find out is the turbine efficiency. The second one, annual cost of the fuel. The turbine efficiency, already we know the formula, that is the boiler efficiency into turbine efficiency. What is the value of the boiler efficiency? The boiler efficiency, the value is 0.85 and turbine efficiency is 0.9. So substitute here, that is 0.85 into 0.9. Simplifying, we are getting 0.765. In terms of the percentage, multiply with respect to 100, that is 76.5%. 76.5%. The second one we want to find out units generated per annum, that is the maximum demand into load factor into hours in a year. In the problem, the maximum demand is given 20,000 megawatt and the load factor is 40%, that is 0.4, and hours in a year, that is per year 365 days. How many number of hours? 24 hours. That is 20,000 into 0.4 into 365 into 24. We are simplifying, we are getting 7,008,00,00. That simply we can write down 700 into this, the 40 we can write down 10 to the power of 4 kWh. kWh. Generally the units generated in terms of kilowatt hour. Next we can find out the coal consumption per annum. The coal consumption per annum. The formula is the coal consumption to units generated per annum by 1000. That is the coal consumption, the problem they are given 0.9 units generated per annum. Now we have find out, that is units generated per annum is 7,008 into 10 to the power of 4 kWh. Substitute here, that is 7,008 into 10 to the power of 4 by 1000. Now we are simplifying, we are getting 63,072 tons. 63,072 tons. Now we can find out the annual cost of the fuel. Now all the data is available. That is cost of 1 ton of coal into coal consumption per annum. That is cost of 1 ton of coal in the problem. They are given how much? 1 ton of the coal we can generate only 300 rupees. The cost they are given 300 rupees, and the coal consumption per annum. Now we are simplifying. The value is 63,072 tons. Substitute these two values, we are getting the answer. Substitute these two values, we are getting the answer. That is rupees 300 into 63,072. The final, the cost is 1 crore 89 lakhs 21,600 rupees. We want to generate 20,000 megawatt power per day. We want to generate 20,000 megawatt power per day. The annual, the fuel, only we are spending fuel cost, that is 1 crore 89 lakhs 21,600. In this is only for the fuel cost. This is only for the fuel cost. Again, we need to spend for the maintenance cost. Again, the capital cost. Next, wages, salary for technical as well as for the non-technical person, so on, etc. So only the fuel cost we can generate the per annum, that is per day. They are generated 20,000 megawatt. This much of the power we want to generate the per annum, that is 1 year. How much the fuel cost means? 1 crore 89 lakhs 21,600 rupees. And the next problem is a 100 megawatt the steam station, that is the thermal power plant, 100 megawatt thermal power plant. The capacity of the power plant is 100 megawatt. That is the power plant name is nothing but steam station, other name is nothing but thermal power plant. In that the power plant, the coal of the calorific value, they are given the calorific value is 6,400 kilocalorie per kg. That is the plant capacity is 100 megawatts. The plant capacity is 100 megawatts, and the calorific value in that the problem they are given 6,400 kilocalorie per kg. Kilocalorie per kg. Here in this the problem they are given the thermal efficiency is 30%. That is 30 by 100 0.3. 30 by 100 0.3. And the electrical efficiency, again they are given the electrical efficiency is 92%. That is 0.92. 92 by 100 0.92. Calculate the coal consumption per hour. We need to generate the 1 hour of power. How much the coal is utilized? We want to find out the coal consumption per hour. When the station is delivering its full rated output. When the station is delivering full rated output. That is nothing but under peak power generation. There are two types of load. One is nothing but the base load. Another one is for the peak load. When it's full rated output, that is nothing but when the rated output is coming, whenever the load is maximum, that is nothing but under peak load power generation, how much the coal is required? 1 hour. That is clearly they are mentioned per hour. Per hour. We want to generate, that is the coal consumption per hour means the formula is heat of combustion by calorific value. The heat of combustion by calorific value. Here the calorific value in the problem they are given 6,400. The calorific value they are given 6,400. But we don't know the value of the heat of combustion. The heat of combustion. We know the formula. Heat of combustion equal to electrical output in heat units with respect to the overall efficiency. Overall efficiency. Again, the electrical output in heat units means that is 1 kWh equal to 860 kilocalorie. 860 kilocalorie. We want to find out the overall efficiency. The overall efficiency means thermal efficiency into boiler efficiency. Thermal efficiency into boiler efficiency. And already we know the value, that is, and units generated per hour, that is station capacity into number of hours. Station capacity into number of hours. By using this formula, we can simplify this problem. Now, here the given data, the station capacity, that is the power generation, the maximum we can generate the power, that is nothing but the plant capacity is 100 megawatts. In the particular, the power plant, the plant capacity is 100 megawatts. And what is the value of the calorific value? 6,400 kilocalorie per kg, and the thermal efficiency is 30%. 30% means that is 30 by 100, 0.3, and the electrical efficiency is 92%. 92 by 100, 0.92. Here we want to find out how much the coal is utilized 1 hour to generate the power. That is coal consumption 1 hour. Now we want to find out that is the overall efficiency, thermal efficiency into electrical efficiency. In that the problem, the thermal efficiency is 0.3 and electrical efficiency is 0.92. Now the substitute, that is 0.3 into 0.92. If you are simplifying, we are getting the value is 0.276. 0.276. The next one, units generated per hour. We want to find out how many hours we are generating. That is units generated per hour. 1 hour, how many units we are generating. That is station capacity into number of hours. The station capacity into number of hours. That is the station capacity is how much? Station capacity 100 megawatt hour. But in the problem clearly they are mentioned per hour. Now you can see here this is nothing but per hour. Only 1 hour. Only 1 hour. That is station capacity is 100 megawatt hour. Number of hours, that is only for the 1 hour. But generally the units generated, it should be represented in terms of kWh. Now here the unit in terms of megawatt hour, we can split it into kilo. We can split it into kilo. Kilo in the sense 10 to the power of 3. But here the mega means 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6. Now we can split this value into 2. That is 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 3. That is a to the power of n into a to the power of m, a to the power of m plus n. The value is same. That is now we are getting 10 to the power of 3 into this. We can represent in terms of k. Already that is whatever is there. Now we are getting 100 into 1 hour into 10 to the power of 3 kWh. Now the finally we are getting 10 to the power of 5 by kWh. 10 to the power of 5 by kWh. Now we will get the, now all the data is available. You can substitute here. That is heat of combustion. Here we want to find out 1 hour how much the heat of combustion, electrical output in heat units with respect to the overall efficiency. Already we have find out the electrical output in heat units is 10 to the power of 5 kWh by the overall efficiency is 0.276. 0.276. That is the electrical output in heat units 10 to the power of 5 into, what is the value of 1 kWh? 1 kWh is 860 kilocalorie. 1 kWh is 860 kilocalorie. Now the substitute the value 10 to the power of 5 into 860 by 0.276. Now the simplifying we are getting the value is 3115.94 into 10 to the power of 5. Or else we can write down 311.6 into 10 to the power of 6 kilocalorie. 6 kilocalorie. Now we can find out how much the coal is utilized per hour to generate in the particular power plant, how much the coal combustion per hour. Now heat of combustion by calorific value. That is the heat of combustion is 3116 point into 10 to the power of 6, or directly we can substitute this value. 3115.94 into 10 to the power of 5 by the calorific value is 6400. The calorific value is 6400. Again, we are simplifying this one. We are getting the answer is 48687.5 kg. This much of the coal is utilized 1 hour to generate the power. This much of coal is utilized to generate power.